guys. Holograms are here. For real. Just look at that. Damn it. Oh my gosh. Just unplug your damn tablet from this. Stop making it do that. Right there. Just look at that.
It's cool, ain't it?
Alright, so basically all it is just a bunch of plastic triangle-ish things taped together to make this. Put it like that. And we put on the hologram like this. You just place it on top like that. Sorry, I'm doing this with my phone right now. Get our hologram.
Look, nothing inside.
Damn, it needs to be darker. Go turn off those lights over there, so the viewers can get a better look at this. Go. There we go. Let's wait till it comes up. On my phone, it doesn't have good resolution, but if we back out, that's a bit better. Well, that's basically all I wanted to show you. Pretty cool, isn't it? It's pretty cool. Peace.